Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to remove archived emails from your favorites in Outlook on your PC. With the latest update, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Outlook in your browser. Once the application is loaded, look towards the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. Click on it to expand the navigation options. Next, locate the Archive folder in your Favorites section. Right next to it, you'll see three small dots indicating additional options. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Remove from Favorites. With just one click, the Archive folder will be removed from your Favorites list. And that's it. You've successfully decluttered your Favorites section by removing the archived emails folder. This simple adjustment can help streamline your Outlook experience and make navigation more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips on managing your email effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.